Hello students, and welcome to your second assignment for week 3. This assignment is titled Week 3 Online Lab Element Builder. It is a content folder because there is some things that will go with this. So in order to access your instructions as well as your assignment, you'll need to click on the Week 3 Online Lab Element Builder title link. And that will bring you into the folder itself. You'll notice at the top there is an overview on what to expect, as well as a week 3 Gizmo how-to video. And the video itself will show you how to log in and find the Gizmo, as well as how to use the Gizmo and any settings that you might need to have selected. Be sure to watch that so it can give you that information. And when you're ready, you'll scroll down a little bit more and you'll notice the assignment form is here. And the actual Word document you will need to download and open is located right here under the title, the Week 3 Online Lab Element Builder Word. If I click on that, it will download the document. Since I'm in Chrome, my document is on the bottom. If you're in Mozilla Firefox, you might see a download up towards the top right, similar to this arrow here, and that would bring you into your Downloads folder so you can access your file. Since I'm in Chrome, I'll click on my file here, and that will open my Microsoft Word document. Now, if you find you're unable to edit this, you can select this Enable Editing towards the top, and that will be what you need to click in order to edit the document. This assignment has 2 parts to it. It has the lab and then post-lab questions. It also has directions on how to go into Explore Learning and find your Gizmo, as well as what settings you need it on. This information is also in the Gizmo how-to video. So again, it depends on whether you want to read the directions or watch it. If you find that you have not set up your Gizmo username and password in the Getting Started folder, you need to go back to the Getting Started folder to complete this assignment. That way you will have an account that you can log into and use the simulations that we use quite frequently. As you scroll down, you'll notice there's an overview of information, as well as some more instructions that you'll want to read. It also has information in terms of if you are in the class with a sibling or friend and what to do about your products. But ultimately, the goal of our online lab is to build products that have specific requirements to them in terms of atoms. It also gives you information on what to look for when it comes to the Gizmo and how the Gizmo will tell you what you have in terms of your product. So make sure that you read this page entirely before you get started. And then as you scroll down, you get into the what are we going to make, or the designated specific products that you need to make using the Gizmo. For example, number 1, you must make 4 different neutral, which means not ionized and stable elements. You cannot use the demonstration element I made in the help video, meaning you cannot use hydrogen. All 4 cannot be the same as a sibling or friend in the course, and you will have a total of 4 screenshots. And you'll paste those screenshots within the Word document. That is the easiest way that I can tell you to put them in. Or if you decide to save your screenshots as separate images, that is fine, but you need a way to mark the images and what those images represent or what number for the lab they go for. So you don't want to upload a bunch of images that I don't know what number or what part of the lab or specific product you're trying to make. So that's going to be the difference in terms of if you paste your screenshots to the Microsoft Word document or if you save the images as a separate file. Each problem will tell you how many screenshots you'll need to have. It'll have specific things to follow. And then once you get to the bottom, it'll have post-lab questions, and there's 5 of them. You'll read those and make sure to answer those, and you'll answer those in a different colored font. I do recommend saving this to your personal computer. If you find you forgot to do that, make sure to check your Downloads folder in your personal desktop. But you want to save this to your personal desktop and make sure you save often so you don't lose your work. And once you're ready and you have all of the products that you want as well as the questions answered, you'll go back into the assignment form here and you'll find the Week 3 Online Lab Element Builder. and you'll click on that title link to open the Dropbox. You'll scroll down and find Browse My Computer. You'll find your assignment that you want to upload and click on it and click Open. And you'll notice it's attached here. And then if you don't have any comments or any submission text that you want to put in, you can simply scroll down and hit the blue Submit button, and that will submit it to me for grading. If you find you're struggling with any of this, or you have any questions, or technology is not working for you, make sure that you email me right away. As always, you can find all of my information under the Contact Your Teacher link in the left-hand menu. Once you're done with this, you can go ahead and move on to the third assignment within week 3.